We utilized the 3D printing technology to optimize the material used in this construction element by introducing air pockets, and this enhanced the thermal insulation of the construction.
Assorted plastic waste as well as natural fiber waste from date palm has been utilized to produce the hybrid insulation material to overcome the waste problem.
The purpose of this project is to use natural resources that are available in the nature, such as clay and sand, and to replace the materials that have large carbon footprints, such as cement. The team is an interdisciplinary group consisting of Dr. Walid Ahmed with mechanical engineering background, Dr. Issam Zainuddin from the civil engineering department, Engineer Musanna Aziz with mechanical engineering background, and we have a PhD student in the chemical engineering background, Noura Al-Mazrui, and myself from chemical engineering, Ali Al-Marzuki.